What's up, y'all? So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you probably noticed that I've been gone for a considerable amount of time and I haven't been making videos, and there's plenty of good reasons for that. And to make it short, I've been working on myself. Last year I came back from a hiatus as well, and I said the same thing, but apparently there was still more to work on. A lot more to work on, and I'm so grateful because in this time I've really hit some powerful stuff inside of me. I've had some major breakthroughs. I've had some amazing mentorship that has changed my life, and I can't wait to share it. I can't wait to share it. And with these videos that's coming up here, it's gonna be a lot of changes to what I've done in the past versus where we're going. And so I'm excited to reveal that to you. But before I get into anything else right now, y'all gotta check out this new intro. You can go ahead and check out this new intro. Shit, it's nice. Go ahead, check it out. I'm inspired. I'm inspired. You see that? that's probably one of the better intros I've created on this throughout the 5-6 years I've been making videos. So I'm excited about that one. You can see that there's been a lot of new content made. This is like my 40th video that I've made in the last maybe month or so. I've been making a lot of videos, and I'm just now getting to like the video where I'm like, hey, I'm coming back. But I've been in such an area of inspiration where I've just been like making content and everywhere I go, and there's gonna be a lot of changes. And I know in the past I've said I'm gonna be around, I'm gonna stick around, and I dip out and I ghost you. Well, when I say it this time, I mean it. And if I do decide to take a break from YouTube, I'll give you a heads up. But I have a lot of content made, and so there's gonna be, I'm gonna stick around for a while. I have a goal, guys. And I'm gonna need your help to get there. But I have a goal, and inside of me it's already done. But I have a goal of by September 22nd, I want to build a community on this YouTube channel where it's 100,000 of us. And September 22nd is a very special day to me, and I'll reveal why in future videos, but it's a very special day to me. And so I want to create that by then, September 22nd. And there's a lot of good videos coming, and I'm going to post every week up until that time. Probably past that time. I mean, I feel like I'm finally in a safe space inside to really walk that purpose, and really serve and really create. And man, I miss y'all. I miss connecting, and the changes that's coming with this channel is from this point on. In the past, looking at my old videos and the perspective I have now, I can see how some of the videos I came off that from the past may have came off as like preachy, like I have all the answers and stuff. And my intention has never been that. My intention has always been to share from my experience and to serve other people and to serve you with what I've learned about my life and myself. And so my style's gonna change up a little bit, but now my style is not to get likes and not to get views, but my style now is more genuine. It's coming from a place of I just want to share my life. I just want to share my life. I just want to share who I am. I don't want to fit into this YouTuber role anymore. I used to try to fit into this YouTuber role where, I would not necessarily put on a front, but I would try to fit into a role. I ain't fitting into no more roles. You just gonna get me. And So I have a vlog, like I'm actually vlog now. You saw Gordon Xavier vlog. So maybe once or twice a month, you'll see that I'll put up like an actual 30-minute episode of, you know, of experiences with people. And you saw like in the original clip there, you saw me like in Florida. We were getting ready to hop in the spring, you know, and I had a lot of great people around me who had a lot of great insights to share. So I want to capture moments like that and share them with you, and bring you on the adventure. And you know, Tiara was in town recently. I've been, you know, dating her for the last 3 years, and you know, she was in town, and we went on, you know, our first like date, and I captured that. And it's just, you know, a lot of stuff like that. And so I want to just share my life with you guys, and I look forward to you sharing your life with me, and we can build community of evolutionaries. You feel me? Evolution. I like the sound of that. Evolutionary. And with that being said, there's tons of content coming. I'm so happy to be back connecting with you guys. I've been spending a lot of time coaching as well. I started a coaching practice earlier this year, and since then I've worked with a lot of different clients, and I feel honored and blessed to have been part of a lot of people's transformation, and to see them step more into their happiest, best version, to me is amazing. It's an amazing feel, knowing that I was able to play a part in that. And so I've been doing a lot of coaching, and so if there's any of you who are looking to receive coaching and to connect with me on that level, at the end of the video you'll see where I offer free expression sessions now. So at the end of every video there'll be a link up there, and if you feel compelled to reach out to me and have a phone call and talk, we can do that, and we will do that. And it'll be in that either that corner or that corner. I don't know. I think it flips whenever I put it on there. But you'll be able to do an expression session with me, and just it's free for an hour, and we talk, and we just talk about whatever you need to talk about. And that's my way of serving and connecting with you guys, because I really want to connect and build community. So without making this video too long, I'm so grateful to be back, happy to be back, can't wait to share with you guys, and there's a lot of great things coming. So I appreciate your patience and your support in this time I've been away. If there's anything else, yeah. So much love. Thanks for watching. It's game time.